To upload pictures or videos using the Windows 10 Instagram application, you need to make sure that there is a folder under Pictures called Camera Roll. Once you've created this folder, go into the Instagram app settings. So I've clicked on the Windows button and typed in Instagram. Right-click this and select App Settings. Here you'll enable the camera and the microphone. Once you've done that, you can start the application. And once the application starts, when you click on the camera icon, you'll see this icon here. When you click on this, it will open up your camera roll. Now you can select the picture you want to use and proceed as normal. That's it.